our Take and Bake craft. My name is Anna and I'm going to show you how to make Italian sesame cookies. They originate in Sicily and the Italians call them biscotti regina, which means queen's cookies, because they were supposedly favorite cookies of Queen Margherita. What I like about these cookies, aside from the taste, is that they are very easy to make. Biscottis in general are twice baked, but these cookies are baked only once. So let's begin. What you received in the bag from the library is flour mix, sugar, butter, and sesame seeds. What you need to add is 2 eggs, quarter of a cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of water. The equipment needed is food processor, if you have one, of course, a whisk, mixing bowls, a measuring spoon, baking sheet, and parchment paper. Before you start, make sure the butter is chilled. Using cold butter is important to obtain the right crunchy texture at the end. So, chop the butter into small pieces. Okay, the butter is ready. Then, divide the eggs. Place the egg whites into one bowl and egg yolks into another. Then add water to the egg whites and milk to the egg yolks. Whisk it a little bit. Then place the dry ingredients to the food processor. Flour mix. And sugar. Then add the butter. Cover. And chop multiple times until you get a sand-like texture. This is how it looks like. Then add the egg yolk mixture. And pulse multiple times until you start to see pieces of dough forming. That's enough. Do not overmix it. Then take the pieces out and knead the dough into a ball. Then shape the dough into the log. Wrap it in a parchment paper and place to the fridge for about half an hour. When the dough is chilled, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and light a baking sheet with parchment paper. Unwrap the dough and divide it into 6 equal pieces. Then each piece into 4 equal portions. Now you have 24 portions. Then shape each portion into an oval-shaped cookie. Something like that. Then, using a whisk, mix the egg whites with water. Then place the sesame seeds into a separate bowl. Now dip each cookie into the egg white mixture, then roll it in the sesame seeds to coat evenly. It will be a little bit of messy job, but the results are worth it. cookies in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. My cookies are ready. They have nice golden color. Now, let the cookies cool completely before serving. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and enjoy your cookies. Bye!